What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. Welcome to Chinese Song Learning section. Today's song is 再见 sung by 张震岳. This song is super easy, so you can definitely learn it quickly. As always, I will play the song for you first, and then we will read the lyrics slowly together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 我怕我没有机会跟你说一声再见，因为也许就再也见不到你。明天我要离开熟悉的地方和你要分离，我眼泪就掉下去。我会牢牢记住你的脸，我会珍惜你给的思念，这些日子在我心中永远都不会抹去。我不能答应你，我是否会再回来，不回头的走下去。不回头的走下去。我怕我没有机会跟你说一声再见，因为也许就再也见不到你。明天我要离开熟悉的地方和你要分离，我眼泪就掉下去。我会牢牢记住你的脸，我会珍惜你给的思念，这些日子在我心中永远不会被抹去。我不能答应你，我是否会再回来，不回头的走下去。Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!